once again. Welcome back to Cristiano Bisaya Facebook page. I'm with Kimi again. And why are we here? Why did we have this collaboration? And we're inviting you. We're here live in a South Philippine Union Conference headquarters. Kasi mamaya pong gabi, meron po tayong Harana sa Kabuntagan Awards Night and Thanksgiving celebration. And of course, one of the guests is Jeramie and me. And of course, featuring the singers of Harana sa Kabuntagan who topped on YouTube and Facebook, who gained many views because they have blessed many people, not only thousands, not only hundred thousands, but millions of views in social media platforms. So we will sing one song once again.
Title?
Amazing Grace by
Tomlin.
We have you for the best. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to feel, and grace my fears relieve. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior, His ransomed me. And like a flood, His mercy reigns. Amazing love, amazing grace. The Lord has promised good to me. His word my hope secures. He'll my shield and portion be as long as life endures. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior, has ransomed me. And like a flood, His mercy reigns. Amazing love, amazing grace. Praise God, praise God, praise God, praise God, praise God, praise God, praise God.
Yay!
Thank you so much. Praise God once
God.
again. Please don't forget to like this Facebook page of Cristiano Bisaya featuring Kimi Ventures.
Thank you so much nga. Nakakagaan ang loob. Thank you, Lord. I-invite niyo ako dito sa page na to.
Yeah, me too. This is our first time together at talagang there is no impossible talaga pag anak ng Diyos. Thank you,
Praise
Kuya
God.
Kerr, no, for having us in Kristahanong Bisaya. And we're inviting you to our event tonight. God bless! Bye!
God bless, guys.